So to start off our heart crochet coaster, we're just going to make a magic ring. So to make a magic ring, we're just going to put our yarn over our 3 fingers like that, and then twist your 3 fingers, grab your hook, and then insert your your hook under the yarn, and then grab the second yarn. After that, twist your hook and then make a 1 chain. Okay, so this is our first chain, and we're going to add another 1 chain. That makes it 2 chains in our magic ring. And then we're going to make 11 double crochet inside that magic ring. So to make a double crochet, we're just going to yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, and then pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops again. Again, yarn over, insert your hook inside these magic ring, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and pull through 2 loops again. So now we have 2 double crochet, and we're just going to add more to make it 11. Okay, and then as you can see, we have our tail over here, and to tighten our magic ring, we're just going to pull this like that. To close our magic ring, we're going to slip stitch into the first double crochet of our magic ring. So this is our first double crochet, and we're just going to insert our hook inside that, and then yarn over, pull through, and pull through again like that. So that is how you make a slip stitch. Just going to pull through all the loops. So now we're done with our row 1. We're going to proceed with our row 2 by chaining 2 chains. So 1 chain and 2 chain. And then for our second row, we're just going to make an increase all the way. So to make an increase, we're going to put 2 double crochet inside the same stitch. So yarn over. So this makes our first stitch. Insert your hook inside the first stitch, yarn over again, and then yarn over 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, and pull through 2 loops again. And then yarn over, insert your hook inside that same stitch that you had your first double crochet of the row 2. So you're just going to insert inside your hook into that same stitch and then make another double crochet. So that is how you make a double crochet increase, and we're going to repeat this until we reach the last stitch of row 2. Okay, so again, we're just going to make a double crochet, 2 double crochet into the same stitch. Make a slip stitch to close our row 2. To make a slip stitch, insert your hook inside the first double crochet, and then yarn over and pull through like that. And then we're now done with our row 2, and we're going to proceed with row 3. So to make our row 3, chain 2, 1, 2, and then make a 1 single crochet and 1 double crochet and 1 double crochet increase all the way of our row 3. So to make our 1 double crochet, again, we're just going to yarn over, insert your hook into the first stitch, then pull through 2 loops and pull through 2 loops again. So this is our pattern. Please remember this. So 1 double crochet, and we're going to put 2 double crochet into the second stitch. So this is our first double crochet into the second stitch, and we're going to add another double crochet into the second stitch to make a increase. So we're going to repeat this pattern, one double crochet and one double crochet increase until we reach the last row. So again, one double crochet and one double crochet increase. Okay, we're almost done with our row 3, and now we're just going to make a slip stitch into the first double crochet. And now for our fourth row, we're just going to make a chain 1. So chain 1, and then make one single crochet into the first stitch right here, one single crochet, and then for our next stitch, one half double crochet. So to make our half double crochet, we're just going to yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over again, and then pull through all 3 loops. So that is how you make a half double crochet. Next is 2 half double crochet into the same stitch. So we're going to make an increase. So again, to make an increase, we're going to put 2 half double crochet into the same stitch, which is right here. Okay. After that, make 2 double crochet into the same stitch 5 times. So to make 2 double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, and then pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops again. It is an increase, so we're going to make 2 double crochet inside the same stitch. Okay, now we have our first increase, and we're going to make 5. So we're just going to add 4 more double crochet increase. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. After that, make 1 double crochet into the next stitch right here. Just 1 double crochet, and then make another 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Then half double crochet into the next stitch. Half double crochet, not double crochet, okay? So half double crochet, and then make another half double crochet into the next stitch. After that, make a 3 single crochet into the next 3 stitches. So 1 single crochet, and then 2 single crochet, and 3 single crochet. After 3 single crochet, we're just going to make 1 half double crochet. 1 half double crochet, like that. And then make 3 double crochet into the same stitch. Again, it's a double crochet. So make 3 double crochet. So this is our first double crochet into the stitch. Then we're gonna add another 1 double crochet and another 1 double crochet to make it 3. After that, make 1 half double crochet into the next stitch, one single crochet, one single crochet again into the next stitch, and another one single crochet. After that, make 1/2 double crochet into the next stitch. So 1/2 double crochet, another 1/2 double crochet into the next stitch, 1/2 double crochet, and then 1 double crochet. So 1 double crochet into the next again, and then make 5 double crochet increase into the next 5 stitches. So to make an increase again, we're just going to make double crochet into the same stitch, 2 double crochets, like that. So we're gonna add 4 more to make it 5. Three, 4, and 5. Again, let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 double crochets, increase, and then we're just going to make 2 double crochet, 2 half double crochet rather. Make 2 half double crochet into the same stitch, 2 half. Okay, so we have 1/2 double crochet in the stitch, and we're just going to add another 1/2 double crochet to make it 2. Now we're down with our 2 last stitch. For our 2 last stitch, we're going to make a 1/2 double crochet, and then for our last stitch, we're going to make a single crochet, like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we're done with our row 4. We're just going to make a slip stitch. So to make a slip stitch, again, insert your hook inside that first single crochet, and then yarn over and pull through. And then for our row 5, chain 1 and make 1 single crochet into the first stitch. So 1 single crochet, and then for our next stitch, 1/2 double crochet, and then 1 double crochet, and 2 double crochet in the same stitch 6 times. So this is our 1 double crochet increase. We're going to make 6. So we're just going to add 5 more. So 2, 3, 5, and then 6. After that, make 3 double crochet into the next 3 stitches. So 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, and 3 double crochet. After that, 1/2 double crochet 2 times into the next 2 stitches. So 1/2 double crochet and another 1/2 double crochet. Then make a single crochet into the next stitch, like that. And we're just going to make another 6 single crochet into the next stitches to make it 7. So 1 here, and then we're going to add 6 more into the next 6 stitches. So we have now 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, 4 single crochet, 5 single crochet, 6 and 7. After that, make 1/2 double crochet 2 times. So 1/2 double crochet right here and another 1/2 double crochet. So now we're here at the bottom of our heart. This is our 3 double crochet increase in the fourth row, and for the second double crochet we're going to make another 3 double crochet into the same stitch. So 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, and 3 double crochet. Okay, after that make 2 half double crochet. So 1 half double crochet and 2 half double crochet, and then make 7 single crochet just like what we did into the other side. So 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, 4 single crochet, 5 single crochet, 6 and 7. After that, we're just going to make 2 half double crochet. So 1 half double crochet and another 1 half double crochet. After that, make 3 double crochets, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, and 3 double crochet. Then we're going to make an increase. So we're going to make 6 increase and 2 double crochet into the same stitch. So 1 and 2 double crochet into the same stitch. So we're just going to add 5 more increase to make it 6. Second increase, third, then we have our fourth increase, 8, 5, and 6. Okay, after that make 1 double crochet and then 1 half double crochet, and then 1 single crochet. Then after that, we're going to make a slip stitch like that. So now we're done with our heart coaster. We're just going to make one chain to tighten and then cut this.